Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account. So I'm gonna be using iOS, but the process is gonna be same for both Android and iOS, maybe slightly different for PC and Mac, but essentially the same steps. So I'm gonna open up my Facebook, and right now I'm on my profile page. I'm not on my profile, it's called the menu, which is the bottom right tab of the Facebook application. So once I'm here, I'm gonna scroll to the bottom, and you see settings and privacy. I'm gonna press on that, and now we're gonna go for settings again. And now you see a bunch of different options. What I want you to go is I want you to go into access and control. Once you're on access and control, you're gonna press on deactivation and deletion. Once you're here, now depending upon what you want, you can either deactivate your account, which is temporary, and or either you could go to your delete account option, and you could, which you should know that this is permanent and risky, so you need to make sure that you actually want to do this. So I'm going to press that for this video, and now you have to select any reason that why you want to delete it. Now I can just select any one of these and press continue deletion, and now it's gonna tell me to back up my stuff and stuff like that, so I can download my information, transfer my information, and then I can press delete account. Once I press this delete account, it is gonna ask me to enter my password, and that is when my account will be deleted. So I really do not want to delete my Facebook account, but if you want to delete your Facebook account, these are the steps. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.